Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our first online lecture of class 7th. Today I am giving you complete instruction that how to start your notebook. You need to work on your notebook. So be carefully listen all the instructions that I am giving you. This is your book of Oxford Science, which will be utilizing for you at class 7th. For class 7th. Okay. This is your copy card cover with the tag of the Peshawar Model School. In this copy card cover, you have a tag. So, how to fill the copy card cover? Here is the serial number. As you don't know about the serial number, so leave that space. Then name, write your name with your father name. I mean that write your full name. Class, then going towards your class. Write your class, then your section. Clear? Subject. Write your subject as well. Like this notebook is for general science. So write your subject. Then going towards the inside copy card. This is the serial number. As you don't know about the serial number, to leave that space as well. Write your name, full name with the father name. Class, write down your class with your section. Then your subject as well, like general science. Branch, write down the branch name, like girls 2. Session 2021 to 2022. Teacher's name, leave that space. Okay, don't write your teacher name. So leave that space. Listen, be carefully all the instructions that I am giving you regarding to your notebook or regarding to your how to write, how to start your notebook. Clear? Okay. First of all, I am going to start the course contents for the midterm. Which chapters is included for your midterm? Clear? So, we have the 3 portions. Biology, chemistry and physics. Clear? So within the biology, we studied the 2 chapters. Inshallah. Chapter number 1, which is about the digestive system. Chapter number 2, which is about respiration and energy from food. Then going towards the second portion, which is about the chemistry. In the chemistry included chapter number 8, which is about atoms. Now coming towards the third portion, which is about physics. This chapter included chapter 13, circuits and electric currents. So all of you are clear about the course contents. This is your course contents. Clear for the midterm. These chapters will be covered within midterm. So we have total 4 chapters, in which 2 chapters are included in biology, clear, the digestive system and respiration and energy from food. And this chemistry atom chapters are included, while in the physics, circuits and electric current are included. So write down these course contents within your neat notebook. Your first letter will be in 2 lines, should be in 2 lines. Clear? Your first letter should be in 2 lines. Write down your headings with the blue marker. Make a block with the simple black marker on your page. Full block. Simple block. Clear? Then write down the headings which you can see on your screen. Course contents for the midterm. Then you have to give the heading of biology. Then your heading of biology with the blue marker. And every heading should be shaded from both sides. And shading will be smooth. Clear? Then write down the chapter names or the chapter heading. The initial will be blue marker. Chapter 1. Then the digestive system, your first letter should be with blue marker. Clear? Clearly listen all the instructions. Then the heading of the chemistry should be with blue marker. Then physics will be blue marker. Clear? All of you clear about the course contents? That how to start your work. Then going towards the paper format of mid and final term. Okay, so the total time given for your paper is 3 hours and the marks is 100. So write down on your notebook the paper format and giving the heading of note. Marks will be deducted on scribbling, cutting, erasing or writing. Clear? Marks will be deducted on these things. Now you have the two sections. Section A and Section B. Section A is of objective which is of 16 marks and the time will be given for the Section A is 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, you are attempt this Section A, in which you have 16 objectives. Clear? Or 16 MCQs. Shade the correct circle properly. You have to shade the circle. Don't overwriting or multiple bubbling. Just to fill the correct one bubble. Clear? On the multiple bubbling, the deduction of marks will be occur. Clear? As well, don't tick mark on the correct bubble, just to fill the correct bubble. Now coming towards the Section B, which is 2 hours plus 40 minutes and the marks of the Section B is 84, which is subjective. Now you have to question number 2. Question number 1 is objective and question number 2 is attempt any 5 short questions from the following. In this question number 2 you have 6 short questions in which you have to attempt the 5 short questions, which is of every short question have 4 marks. So in the question number 2 we have total 20 marks. Then going towards the question number 3, in which you have the 2 diagrams. Draw and label any one of the following diagrams, in which you have to attempt only one diagram, which is of 10 marks, which should be neat and tidy. Then going towards the note, then you have to write your note. Attempt the 2 questions from each portion. Biology, chemistry and physics. Each portion contains the 2 questions. It means you have to attempt the 2 questions. In biology as well chemistry and physics you have 3 questions. Within these 3 questions you must have to attempt the 2 questions. In biology you have 3 questions. Within 3 questions you must have to attempt 2 questions. Each questions contain 9 marks. Total marks we have 18. Then going towards the chemistry, as well chemistry have 3 questions in which you have to attempt the 2 questions. Each question contain 9 marks. So total in chemistry we have 18 marks. As well, going towards the physics, you have total 3 questions. Within 3 questions you have to attempt 2 questions. Each questions contain 9 marks. So total we have 18 marks. So all of you are clear about the course contents as well your paper format. Clear? So girls, write down the paper format as well the course contents on your neat notebook as I'm written in my notebook. Clear? Follow all the instructions that I am giving you regarding to your neat notebook as well your writing. Okay, so I am going to start my chapter which is about the digestive system, which is included within chapter number 1 or biology portion, biology, and chapter number 1 which is digestive system. So first of all, clear about the digestive. What is digestive? So the digestion means the conversion of the large particles into small particles. Clear? And the system which is followed by the digestion is called the digestive system. So this is the diagram of the digestive system. You can see on your screen which having mouth, teeth, tongue, salivary glands, pharynx, esophagus, liver, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. All these parts are included in digestive system. You know about it that you take the food through your mouth. Clear? Then this food or these particles will be chewed by your teeth and converted into pieces, into small pieces. The partial digestion is starting at your mouth. The food is converted into small pieces. Then the food is going towards the esophagus. Then the esophagus, through the esophagus, the food will be passed into the stomach. From the stomach, the food will going towards the small intestine and large intestine. Within the small intestine, all the absorption of the food will be takes place. Clear? The remaining undigested food will be passed from the body through anus. Clear? Okay. I am starting the complete lecture from the digestion. The digestion is the breakdown of the large molecules in the food into the smaller molecule which can be absorbed into the blood. So what is the digestion? The conversion of the large molecules, the breakdown of the large molecules into small pieces. Clear? For what purpose it can be converted into small pieces? Because we need energy. Clear? We need energy for our life activities. So for this purpose we take food. Clear? And this food will be converted into small pieces. The partial digestion occurs at mouth. This is the definition of the digestion. The conversion of the large particles into small particles. This is called digestion. Clear? So thank you girls. We will start the next lecture inshallah into the next class. Thank you students. Follow all the instructions that I am giving you in this video. Clear? Thank you.